Alright guys, in this video we're gonna discuss how you can use the display of Micrologix in your project. So right now I have Micrologix 1100. By default the display will look like this as showing in the screen. It has inputs and outputs. So there is another way you can customize this display that we're gonna discuss in this video. So let's start. I'm gonna use the instruction LCD. This LCD instruction, you can add things in your display to show up. For example, I have this customize string which has machine is running that I'm using for boot up. Right now I will explain that how I'm using for boot up, but in this one we're gonna use st91. I'm gonna copy this and use over here. Second one, these two are same. So first line this, then second, and then third. We can use 3 lines. So the first line is a combination of A and B. Second line, I can use that as a string, so I can use as, let's say, st92, and nothing I'm gonna use in there. I'm gonna use 0 here, and this one I can use n7 colon 0, and another one I'm gonna be just using 0, and this is no. So let's verify the project, and on number 2 line I want to write down value of n7 colon 0. Okay, I hope this will fit in the screen, and let's try to download the project. System comms and download. Okay, it's running now. We will hit escape and we will go down to user display, and right now it's showing value of n7. So if I go to string, as you can see I'm using just value of n7, which is st91. That's why it's on line number 1. But what I can do, I can write down here machine 1. As you can see it changed over there, and right now here value of n7 colon 0. Okay, now on user display it says machine 1 value of n7 colon 0, and whenever the value of n7 colon 0 will change, let's say 1800, the value will look like this. Now imagine I want to change this value from my PLC, so it will show up over here. So what I will do now, modify this, go to setup screen, change this to yes, hit OK, finalize this. Now as you can see values are blinking over here. So value of n7, I'm gonna open up n7. If I write down here 1500, this is not updating unless or until I press escape. Now it's updated. But let's say I want to change the value. I want to write down 1523. As soon as I'm gonna hit OK, the value has updated over here. So that way you can use display with input yes, and then you can modify the value of n7 from your PLC display. Now if I will boot up my, let me just modify this again. I don't wanna customize this, from my display. So what I will do now, if I do anything, it will just automatically update. 12, enter, it just update right away. Just read only now, there's no write. I will save this. But now if I will restart my PLC, it will not come to this display, because on the function files on LCD, if this is 1, that means whenever the PLC will boot up, it will show this display, the user display. It will not show you the default display. And this number 9 will show, means number 9 is my string. The first element of that string will show when machine will boot up. So it says machine 1 is running, or I can just say project of conveyor 1. So now I have put that in. I want to just save, so I will have the saved project. Now when I will restart this PLC, I will have a welcome display which says exactly same one, project of conveyor 1, and I will have my user display right away, machine 1 value of N7 column 0. So that way, with customization, you can customize your displays like that. Thank you very much.